Hello, awesome artists, and welcome back to Kiddo Adventure Zone. Today, we're diving deep under the sea for an underwater adventure with our speedy friend, Sonic the Hedgehog. So get your pencils, crayons, and a splash of imagination ready, because we're going to make a colorful ocean world come to life. Let's begin by drawing Sonic as he swims happily under the water. Start with his round face, those cool pointy spikes, and his big eyes that show his excitement for this sea adventure. Now draw his body floating gently, his gloves and red shoes moving as if he's gliding through the ocean waves. Now it's time to bring our underwater Sonic to life with bright colors. Fill his body with a shiny blue, add a soft yellow belly and face, and color his famous shoes bright red with a white stripe. Once done, he'll look ready to zoom through the sea just as fast as he runs on land. Next, let's fill the ocean with some fun underwater friends for Sonic. We'll draw a cheerful crab, a tiny snail, a friendly octopus, and some cute, colorful fish swimming all around him. Don't forget to add sea plants, bubbles, and coral to make the ocean scene lively and full of movement. Now it's time to make the underwater world shine with color. Let's use bright reds, purples, pinks, and greens to color the sea creatures and plants, each one full of life and joy. Finally, add light blue bubbles all around to show Sonic and his friends having the best time under the sea. Wow, what an amazing underwater adventure we had today. You did a fantastic job drawing and coloring Sonic and all his ocean friends together in their colorful sea world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again on Kiddo Adventure Zone for more fun and creative adventures. See you next time, little artists.